But we think that there's still a lot to do, or just a few others to do. The issue of election into office should no longer be the responsibility of state independent electoral commissions, because the system is already skewed. The governors will use it as another means of getting back what they feel they have lost. Because they formed the RISEC, the SEC, I'm sorry, when I say RISEC, I'm talking about reverse. They formed the State Independent Electoral Commission and give them handouts. I was chief of staff, I gave handouts. I gave. Elections could be written inside chief of staff's office. It was done so in my time. We did so. We'll write the results and hand over to the commission. They will just, their business is going to go and announce. And of course, after announcing the results, if you feel aggrieved, you will present before a tribunal. The tribunal is as set up by the state government. They also have their own handouts. Now, the appeal to whatever decision the tribunal takes is at the state high court. They will also have their handout to do. So what will you do as? You will accept your fate. And it is the reason why in all states where they have conducted election, all the positions were won by the governor's own party. Does that suggest democracy? It doesn't. So we're also using this opportunity to plead with the National Assembly to immediately, either by resolution or howsoever, remove the issue of election of local government leadership from the hands of the State Independent Electoral Commission. Let INEC, a body saddled with conduct of elections, be responsible for all elections in Nigeria, so that the grounds would be free, fair, and credible. You're already aware of my complaint concerning the research and the activities here. At that time, I was complaining as party. And a system that has started in that manner will certainly tell you that, look, the end is already known. You can know the end from the beginning. So, but if you have an independent electoral commission conducting local government election, now you will see, more people presenting interest. Otherwise, under any state independent electoral commission, it is by selection. What will you care? Why will you go and contest election and spend money when you know you have already lost ahead of time? So these are the issues we felt we should address.